Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at the techtrader.com. It's Thursday, the 25th of June. These are the hard charts of the day. We got a wild day in Wall Street today. Big swings, sharp opening, big drop, slow, steady climb back up, and then a pullback, and then a little late snapback. But after hours, futures are sharply lower again. So who knows where they'll be tomorrow. Looks like they're going to be opening lower again, unless things change overnight. I do have some stocks that look great. I want to show you some of them. ABCL in the biotech sector of the market for the biotechs have been really strong of late. This one's coming through a double top and close at the highest close we've seen in many a month. Right now, the next wave count tells me 8.5, 3/4, maybe 9. Blackberry, a new swing today. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave started. We caught it just in time. Looks to me like it's headed to 13, 15, maybe 18 at some point. Big volume today. The volume was 72,700,000 shares. A lot of volume. One of the biggest ever. BFLY, a new tech trader swing which popped and pulled back, is stabilizing and wedging in this area. I still think it's got a shot at 10 and 12. BLZE, I'm looking at my notes. I was going to put a swing on it 2 days ago and forgot all about it. Missed it, son of a gun. Anyway, you can see how this stock looks, and it looks fantastic. Right now, I'm looking at all-time highs. Well, not quite all-time, but going way back to, let's see, at least a 5-year high. So coming out of a base with a 5-year high in this kind of volume, you might very well see an additional upside that gets us into the high teens. CADL, a long-standing tech trader swing after a long base breakout and pullback. You can see it's back to fill in here, but it's right up against it. I think today was the highest close we've seen in a year and a half, and I think we're going to be heading in towards the 11-12 zone. The CRTS broke out of a 6-7 week wedge or coil, popped 111, that's 11%. Traded about 1.1 million. It's thinly traded, but it's another biotech on the run. Target 14. GLW and GLWG, the ETF, both look great. The stock has been broken out of a 6-week consolidation with a pop retest and that 2-day run. Today's pop took another 24 points or 11.5%. I'm now looking for a run at 250.60. And the ETF GLWG recovered beautifully and broke out today. So at this point, I'm not going to be shocked to see it go into the low to mid 40s. ILLR, well, it was looking great and then backed way up, but look what happened after hours. The stock went from under 3 to over 4 to 420. It is up right up against key resistance. If we get through this one tomorrow, momentum could carry this one, say 6 or 7. KYMER, coming out a long 6-month coil, it exploded of late. Today in particular had a big run early, went 98 to 130, backed off though to 116. It was still up 16 or 16%. It's new all-time high. It's another biotech. You can see why the biotech index is so strong. This momentum could carry this to 140. LABU is the reason why LABU is doing this is what I just showed you. So many biotech stocks running. This is now up for 6 days in a row and 9 out of 10. So almost up every day for 2 weeks. So it's long in the tooth, but the momentum could carry this to 300. Maine, the hair restorative FDA approval for new hair loss treatment exploded here. It took 6 weeks to consolidate, but it's on the move again. Today up another 431, and we're looking for now to get into the mid-range about 130 and then upper range about 170. MELI, thinly traded electronics company, gapped and ran today and closed at the high for the day or near it. From 1428 to 1875, finished 1840 up 531. My next target was in the low 20s. We should get there soon, maybe tomorrow. MXLL, well, what a monster run this had from the March low when it was trading around 15 all the way up to 104. Now it's settled into a 7-week consolidation, but today it started to pop again. And if it gets up through 102, 103, it might be $110, $12 stock or more. NRIX, yet another biotech, exploded across key resistance, but backed off a little bit, only to finish above that. And right now, I'm looking at mid-20s. NBCT, talk about on fire, up every day for 2 weeks and then some. Long in the tooth, extended, but boy, does this have momentum. SLS broke out of a 4-week consolidation flag. You can see it's stair-stepping its way higher. My next target is 15. SNDX, the ETF for SNDX. What a powerful move today after leaving MELI and ILLR reversal and coming down quite a bit from, let's see, from 49 in 2 days back down to 30. Today jumping right back to 45 and gaining 1294, 40% today. Momentum could carry this to mid to high 60s. And finally, VSH, after a long run from the March low, which saw it go from 16 to around the mid 60s, is now flagging there and won't break down. If it gets through the 68 zone, you might see 75.80. This could be an intriguing stock as well. And let's look at some of the hot stocks at detechtrader.com. And this is HB signing off. Have a great evening.